It is cranberry season. Let's make fresh cranberry juice. I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing cranberry, pear and pineapple juice. So to make this immune boosting juice, I'll be using fresh cranberries, 2 lemons. You can decide to use orange. I'll be using pear, pineapple. So I'll start by peeling the pineapple. Pineapple will help to boost our immunity because it contains enzyme that will protect us against inflammation and diseases. So I'm going to peel the pineapple and cut it into smaller pieces. So for this drink, I'll be using 2 lemon, which is a good source of vitamin C and it will help to aid digestion. So I'm going to wash the cranberries and the pears. Pear is a fruit that contains fiber, vitamin C, K, and potassium, and the vitamin C is very important for immune health. So when I'm done, I'm going to combine all the fruit together and I'm going to use a juicer to squeeze to get the juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can use your blender, add all the fruit and vegetable into your blender, add enough water, blend until smooth, then you can use a sieve or chiffon cloth to sieve to get the juice. Finally, the fresh cranberry, pear and pineapple juice is ready. This is a wonderful juice that will help to boost your immunity. It will help to support healthy gut, great for protecting heart diseases. This juice is also useful and good if you want to prevent urinary tract infection. It is also high in antioxidants and high in calcium, vitamin B, potassium, and fiber. I hope you try making this fresh cranberry juice while cranberry is still in season, and I would like to hear your feedback. Thank you all for watching.